name is Cindy Fettner. I have been, I guess I have not been, but my children have been patients of Dr. Ricci's from, I'm thinking around 2003, 2004. My daughter was starting to have some mouth difficulties, so we started looking around for some orthodontics. We ended up with Dr. Ricci because of the close proximity to the house. I was homeschooling, and I wanted to have somewhere close by that I could pop in and not be caught in traffic with 3 small children, because I had 2 more at that point that was younger than her. We really enjoyed, after interviewing a couple of orthodontists, my husband and I felt a connection with Dr. Ricci. He was authentic, he was genuine. We felt like he treated us as if our daughter was his own daughter, and what he would do with her. So we were really impressed with that. We have maintained, I have 4 children now, and we have maintained with my current 23-year-old all the way down to my current 12-year-old. And we have just been very pleased with Dr. Ricci. I know some of the most important things that have been for us has been the connections with the staff. One particular person, Sandra, we have known for, it seems like forever. She's known us, I know, for at least over 12 years. I see her in the grocery store. I see her in Target. And it's always, she's always happy to see me. She's always happy to talk with me. And so the connections in the community outside of the orthodontics office has been very nice. I have really enjoyed that aspect. And I've also seen some of the other ladies that have worked in the back, and Dr. Ricci himself also out in the community. So being able to know that they are part of my community and not just someone I go and visit has been very important to me. Very important to me. One of the things I know that my children have enjoyed most about Dr. Ricci's office is the events that they put on. The giveaways have been fun. They enjoy coming in to see, counting the candies or counting the things or trying to figure out the puzzles. Those have been real fun, and they've even occasionally won a few times. And then the movies, that's been really important. We try to make sure that every year we have come to the patient appreciation movies that he offers when the new movie comes out. My children always make time for it. One of the other things that I have enjoyed is, as my children have progressed, I've had one daughter who's actually come and worked in the office with Dr. Ricci, and she found it to go beyond what her expectations were. So she was very pleased. The advice I would give to someone new that was trying to choose an orthodontic provider would be to really speak to orthodontist. Come to him and interview him. How do they make you feel? How does that person make you feel? Do they feel like you're part of your family? Talk to the staff. You're going to be connecting with those people for anywhere from 1.5 years to 2 years. So you want to make sure that you have a connection there with them, that you feel comfortable with them, that they don't feel like they're too busy for you, that you can ask questions from something as simple to something very complex, and that they will not be demeaning. I've always had most pleasant conversations with the staff. I've even dropped in sometimes and had to get wax for my children, and it's never been a problem. I was never been made to feel that it was too little of a request or too large of a request. So I've really enjoyed that particular aspect of Dr. Ricci's office and his staff. The things that I think that could possibly be improved upon is my last daughter has had a little bit longer spell, I believe, between her first phase and her second phase. So I think for her, there were some big changes that had happened with the orthodontic treatment plan, and the things that he offered, and the things that Dr. Ricci offered. So I would think that maybe you're in between people that you're having to wait on from between phase 1 and phase 2. Maybe you could keep them updated a little more. Things to improve, maybe being a little bit more on social media. I know for my daughter, my oldest one, who's not worn her retainers as much, that the offer of having the 3 sets of retainers is really great, and then they connect really well on social media. So having them on social media maybe might be a good way to connect with that younger generation and bring them back in. I believe that's all. Thank you.